Hello everybody and welcome back with a new video on our channel Crypto-to-fiat. In today's video we're looking into TEVAU, a global fintech that's combining crypto with traditional finance in a way that makes sense. TEVAU gives you a Visa authorized crypto card that's working in over than 200 countries and more than 46 million stores, so you could spend your crypto anywhere just like normal money. And with TEVAU wallet you manage both crypto and fiat in one place, and payments are fast, cheap, and transparent thanks to the blockchain. And one thing I really like, you can deposit directly using Binance Pay with no need for going on chain paying extra gas fees. This isn't just a card, it's a full ecosystem: the app, the wallet, the card, and the finance product that lets you store funds on your wallet. Basically, they will make crypto usable in your real life. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see here, we have the official website of TEVAU.co. So we'll discuss all the features that offer us this card or this project. So as you can see here on the label, we have a seamless global payment. We have over than 1 million happy user for the moment. So from here you could get your wallet, but for me I will show you how to do it using your phone and start using this Visa card. So here we have what is TEVAU. So TEVAU is basically the bridge between your crypto and the real world, powered by a USDT card that works globally. So forget complicated swap delay and limitation. With TEVAU USDT Visa card and smart wallet app, you can make fast, seamless crypto payment anytime. And the best thing, we'll talk about it right now, the limit is too big. So here we have with TEVAU, you can spend crypto like cash anytime, anywhere that's accepted Visa. So it's supported on over than 200 countries, so you could use it them, and you could use this card on over than 46 million stores. Just imagine that. So here we have the physical card, so you could use it on the ATM withdrawal, a real-time transaction, swipe, and chop payment. So you could get your physical card by clicking on this button right here. Here we have the virtual card, the one that you could use on your phone. You could add it on the Apple Wallet or your Apple Pay and use it directly from there. So here we have an online payment, instant transaction, and widely accepted. So from here you get your virtual card also. So here we have the features why choose TEVAU and not other card. So TEVAU combine crypto flexibility and traditional finance with the power of a USDT Visa card. Spend your digital asset effortlessly and anywhere. So here first we have the instant conversion. So your crypto get converted directly to fiat automatically at the time of purchase without conversion fee. We have a secure and compliant platform, so enterprise grade security with a full regulatory transparency and a low fees, no surprise charge or hidden markup, a global user, so you could use your TEVAU card worldwide, online and in stores. User friendly app, manage everything from one easy dashboard, iOS and Android. So it's available on both device, phone device, Android and iOS as well. Here we have fourth point, we have the TEVAU payment card. So put your crypto to work with the TEVAU USDT card. Stop letting your crypto sit idle. The TEVAU USDT Visa card give you the power to spend your digital asset like real money anytime and anywhere. So it supports major cryptocurrencies, including USDT, with a real-time crypto to fiat conversion, checkout, and accepted on worldwide as Visa supported merchant, and then instantly linked to the TEVAU wallet app for a full control. So here, as you can see, you could pay everything using the dashboard and you will get the data. As you can see here, we have all the purchases here, and here you could earn up to a 4.5% APR by opening your TEVAU app under wallet and tap earn, step 2 subscribe inside unused wallet or card fund instantly, and the third step is sit back and earn reward hourly with fully flexibility. Here we have safe, smart, and built for the future. So first, the TEVAU app is built on advanced blockchain rail. It supports USDT and digital asset, designed for speed, scale, and transparency with a fully licensed and compliant with financial regulation. Here we have one card, endless possibility from crypto to your lifestyle. So the main point is that you could use crypto just like normal money any currencies, USDG, Euro, Pound, MID, any currency worldwide. Here we have also get your USDT card. So now guys, we will move to our phone. I will share my phone screen and I will let you know how to do and install the app and then start using TEVAU application. So now guys, we're on our iPhone device, so we will click on the download the app on App Store. It's available also on Google Play and Android APK. So here we will click on and we will be redirected to the App Store. Then we will click on get, and after completing the download we will click on open. Then we will be redirected to our application. We'll allow those right. We enable the notification also. We accept the terms. So here we have the platinum card or the virtual card. It supports Google Play, global online shopping and subscription, and a daily transaction limit of $3 million, and an unused card closed for after 6 months. Here we have the physical card or the plastic card. It's swipe and chip payment, monthly ATM limit of $200, a support Google Pay, and also a global online shopping and subscription. And finally, we have the metal card, a physical card. We have for the utility a swipe and chip payment, a monthly ATM limit of 200k, and 2 top-up free fee waiver per month, and a VIP support as well. So for me, I will choose the virtual card. I don't need the physical card. We'll click on login, or we'll create our account. We'll set up our info, the email, the password. We'll verify the code, and the invitation code, you will find it on the video description. And after creating our account, we're right now ready to start using the application. So here you should verify your identity by doing the KYC. And as we can see here, we completed the KYC. Here we have the wallet, here we have the assets, then we have the card and a current event that is ongoing on the moment. So for now, so here guys, after a quick moment and approving my KYC, we can see that we can do the next step is to deposit. As you can see, we have just deposit to apply for the card. We have two types of the card. The physical card, you should deposit $100, and the virtual card just $20. So we click on deposit. Here we could select if we want to do the deposit on chain or the Binance Pay. So for me, to speed up the process, I will choose the Binance Pay. We should enter the amount $20 to apply for the virtual card. Then we click on next. So as you can see, TEVAU Pay want to open Binance. Your wallet received a $20 USDT amount. We'll check on TEVAU right here. So we go to the record. So as you can see, the deposit is made successfully. We'll go back to the wallet. Then we can see that our total asset is $20 in USDG. So here we have our virtual card, so we will apply for it. So as we can see, you should fill the billing address, your phone number, and the promo code to get your reward. So then we will click on pay, and after that we should type the security key, then confirm it. And as we can see, our card is successfully activated. So we will go back here. Then after that guys, we can see that we could do the deposit. From here we could deposit using the USDT, the EDR, the USD, the Euro, and the Hong Kong currency will be coming soon. Here, if we want to withdraw to USDT, we could select the withdrawal address, the chain also, and the amount that we want to withdraw. And here we have the transfer. If we want to send money to other user, we have the recipient email and the transfer amount. And here you could convert from USDT, EDR, USD, Euro, the Hong Kong currency, and the pound as well, to receive other currencies from here. And here on our profile, we could check that the KYC is verified. Here you could share your invite code for a friend to get some rewards. As you can see here, we have the reward program, invite friend to earn up to 50% commission. So as you can see, this is our platinum card. And now guys, I will show you how to use this card and check if its work. So we'll try to check the Telegram premium. So we select the monthly plan, then subscribe. The price is $3.99 as you can see here. So we'll pay this amount. The payment method here will input the card number and CVV details from here, and we'll type it in the computer. Then we'll click on done and we'll pay the $3.99. We'll agree on the Telegram terms and accept. So we continue here. And as you can see here, the payment is done. So thank you for payment. We received the $3.99. Your premium subscription is now active. So for now, the process is simple. Just you should push the card number, CV, and details, or you could just add it directly to your device wallet, so you could pay directly. And guys, that was all for today's video. If you want to try TEVAU and start using it on your daily life, you can sign up using my promo code that you will be displayed here. It supports the channel and they give you access to the current TEVAU campaign and reward. Just hit the link in the description and enter the promo code and get your TEVAU card to start spending money instantly. If you're watching channel, don't forget to let us a like, also subscribe, let us a comment below, and see you in the next video.